Hey y'all, my name is Eve Carson and I'm your student body president. It's great to be in Chapel Hill. If you're a returning student, can't wait to see you again. If you're a new student, welcome to the Carolina family. So this is the Student Government Office, room 2501 in the New Student Union, and as your representation, this office is here for you. We've got computers you can use, there's a printing station, there's another printer on the other side, and here we've got a lot of people moving in. This is Lauren, she's a senior class marshal. There are three branches of student government: executive, legislative, and judicial. And so executive branch, or E-branch, and student congress are located in this office. And the judicial branch, which is the honor court, is located down in SASB. I really want to encourage all of you guys to take advantage of the incredible opportunities that our campus offers. You know, from Campus Y to Millennium Village Project to student television to the Daily Tar Heel to student government, there are so many incredible ways that you can get involved. And I've really found that my experience has been enriched by the ways that we give back to our communities and to our campus. Also, I personally invite you to come hang out with me. I spend a lot of time in this office and I love saying hi and meeting new people. So if I can help you, or if I can help you figure out how you want to get involved on campus, please come by and let's talk.